In this short video, we introduce a picture notation to describe assertions on arrays. Consider the assertion b sub 0 dot dot h minus 1 is at most 0, meaning every element of that segment is at most 0, and every element of the segment bh dot dot k is greater than 0. We can draw it as a picture like this. The indices 0, h, and k are placed above the rectangle that describes the array. Each segment contains a property that elements in the segment have. For example, we place at most 0 in the first segment to indicate that all its values are at most 0. We have not written the picture of the whole array. We might write the whole array with the question mark segment indicating that we know nothing about what is in that segment. But when picturing our assertion that we first saw, there is no need to draw that third segment. In the diagram that just appeared, the array segment marked b sub h contains one value. So that segment is drawn so that one can understand that it contains exactly one value. Drawing it instead like this leads to confusion and mistakes because the segment no longer looks like a one-element segment. Don't do that. Too often, we see an assertion pictured with the index right above the line. The reader doesn't know whether the first segment is b of 0 dot dot h or b of 0 dot dot h minus 1. Don't do this. You have to be careful and precise when drawing such pictures. Never put an integer or a variable directly above a line. You can write an assertion completely in mathematics, as we did above, in English, in a mixture of English and mathematics, as a picture, as a mixture of picture, English, and math. It really doesn't matter. What does matter is the precision and clarity and thoroughness and unambiguity with which you draw that picture.